Constant on the beat. Constant on the beat.
Once again, this is KONDISONFILMS right here in the house. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this Amapiano beat style here in the house with KONDISONFILMS, the only one from Costa Rica with that passport. Here you can hear how this sounds. Hey, don't forget you may need a private lesson. You just go to my website www.kondison.com. That is kondison.com, and you can enroll there on some of my online lessons. How you can edit video, how you can make music, and many other more things right there on the website. And also you may need this beat. Hey, don't forget, if you need this beat, you just go to the description. I'll put the link right there so that you can get it. Also, you can just contact me right away without wasting your time. Right, guys, you are most welcome. Let's just do it right away. Making Amapiano beat right from the scratch here with KONDISONFILMS. So if you're not subscribed, always consider clicking that red what is subscription button. And also don't forget to comment there. So that I'll be making beats based on or I'll be bringing free contents based on your comments there. And also, if you need an online lessons, how to edit video, how to do many stuffs, you can just go to my website www.kondison.com. I mean www.kondison.com right there. So I've already done with the drums here, the shakers, the kick. This is
Constant on the beat.
you can feel them and the accessibility right there. Hey, the vibes right there. So I'm gonna show you the next instrument that you can use here is for my case. I just use. We are going to use these strings. Hey, you're gonna play something like this. Remember, for those who doesn't know how to set up your Cubase for recording for the first time, you can check out some of my videos there. I did a video how you can set up from the scratch. So we are not gonna waste much time, but I just wanna play this one right away. So we are going to record it. Amen.
Constant on the beat.
Hey.
Constant on the beat.
Right there now you can feel the biblical mellow right there. You may need this beat. The link is just right there in the description.
Constant on the beat.
In just less than 3 minutes, your beat is almost over.
Constant on the beat. Constant on the beat.
Right there, we are coming for the bass. We are coming for the bass. To record the bass right away. And then after the bass, other things just come after that.
Constant on the
Hey! Another one.
Constant on the
Hey! Right there, now we are going for this.
Constant on the beat.
That's called saxophone. me not waste much time and just it's like this beige is too much. I'm going to show for you how you can deal with it, how we can deal with this beige in the next video, how you can do mastering. But for now I'm just showing you how to make this beat. Yeah, let's just put our shack shuffle.
Constant on the beat.
Now we are going to double click to open it, and we're gonna control A and click on Q. That's to quantize.
Constant on the beat.
You see the double is touching something there.
Constant on the beat.
Let me first open it once again and check the problem. We're going to highlight and yeah, thing somewhere there.
Constant on the beat.
Now you can I'm going to add another instrument.
Constant.
I don't want this I just want it to start.
Constant on the beat.
This is called Amapiano beat. With what? On this one. I'm gonna just add something called a lead.
Constant on the beat.
Right guys, if you're not subscribed, click that subscription button. And also if you need a private lesson on how you can make your own music, you just go to my website and sign up. You can send me message from the website KONDISON.com.
Constant on the beat.